Hi children, welcome back to our class. In today's class, we are going to subtract 3-digit numbers without regrouping. See the question. Subtract 246 from 867. Here we are going to subtract 246 from 867. The solution is, write 867 here in the top and just below you write 246. Okay. Now we are going to start subtracting. First we start from ones. Here in ones place there are 7 ones and 6 ones. First we subtract 6 ones from 7 ones. 7 ones minus 6 ones is equal to 1 1. That is 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. That 1 we will write in the ones place. Clear? Now we are going to subtract tens. Subtract tens. Here 6 10 and 4 tens are there. 6 tens minus 4 tens. 6 minus 4. We will get 2 tens. 6 tens minus 4 tens. 2 tens. Write 2 in tens place. Write this 2 in tens place. This is ones place and this is tens place. Write this 2 in tens place. Now we are going to subtract numbers in hundreds place. Subtract hundreds. Here 800 and 200. 800s minus 200s is equal to 600s. 8 minus 2, 6. This 6 we will write here in hundreds place. Thus we are getting the answer 621. That is 867 minus 246 is equal to 621. Okay. Here I have written another question, that is subtract 530 from 950. We are going to subtract 530 from 950. Here in ones place both the numbers are 0. When 0 subtract from 0, we will get the answer 0. Subtract ones, that is ones, 0 ones and 0 ones. We will get 0 only. So 0 minus 0, the answer is 0. That 0 you write in ones place. Okay. Now move to the tens place. Here in tens place there are 5 and 3. 5 tens minus 3 tens. 5 tens minus 3 tens is equal to 2 tens. Write this 2 in tens place. This is tens place. Write this 2 in tens place. Clear? Now we are going to subtract numbers in hundreds place. Here in hundreds place 2 numbers are there, that is 9 and 5. 900 and 500. 900s minus 500s. The answer is 400s. 4 write in hundreds place. This 4 write in hundreds place. 900s minus 500 is equal to 400s. Thus the answer we are getting 420. When we subtract 530 from 950, the answer is 420. 420 is the answer. Okay. some homework for you. First question, 869 minus 267. Second question, 435 minus 135. Third question is 760 minus 740. These three questions you do in your rough notebook. And in your textbook, page number 56, activity 3, do in the textbook itself. Here this one you do in the textbook and these three do in your rough notebook. Okay children, bye.